Hello to all my listeners out there and welcome back to my channel. So this read is for all the earth signs, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn for the next week, that is from July 13th to July 19th. Let's see what we have coming up for all the earth signs out here. Also, if this reading resonates with you, do let me know in the comment section below. Okay. Let's start the read. So the very first card that I have for all the earth signs here is that I think all the earth signs are thinking too much at the moment. Maybe you are simply underrating yourself. Maybe you're thinking you're not good enough for something. Could be some kind of a job or could be some kind of a relationship. But you just have that question in your mind, maybe you're not good enough, maybe there are more qualified people than me that have come for that interview. Maybe it could be for one person, but this could be a major reason that you are thinking too much, you're thinking that you're not good enough. But we all need to know that divine is there at our back. Divine is there showing us that path. If divine has shown you that path, if you have gone for that certain interview, that means divine, in the eyes of divine, you are actually the right candidate. So don't think too much, don't put a lot of negativity into that situation that maybe you're not good enough. You are the best. If you're doing something, just have a little bit pride on yourself that yes, you can do it. Maybe that other person has a lot of degrees and diplomas, maybe much more than you, but you need experience as well. Maybe that person has done like 20 years. Maybe the other person has 20 years of experience, and you must be a fresh graduate or something. You need to trust divine. If you reach that point, if they actually called you for the interview, that means they saw something in your profile. That's why you're sitting there with all those people who have like 20 or 30 years of experience in something. So do not underrate yourself. This is what I feel this card suggests. This is mainly for the Virgos that I see. Although it's a collective read for all the earth signs, but this card is particularly for some of the Virgos. They are just underrating themselves, that maybe not good enough. Or maybe on the other hand, I would see there's another situation that this card represents is maybe you're being too picky on something. Maybe you're like, no, I can't go for that relationship, or maybe I can't go for that job, or maybe I can't go and study in that particular university. You are just being too picky on something, just don't be too clingy. That's what the card suggests for all the earth signs out there. If you are worrying too much about any of the situation, you are simply just manifesting more worries into your life. Do not manifest more worries. The resolutions are right there. You have, those things are already done by the divine. So don't think too much. Don't worry too much about those things. And you need to stop guessing yourself. Like, stop second guessing yourself. Like, one day you're like, no, I can do that. And the next day you're like, oh, maybe I should not start because I don't think if I'll be able to do that. Do not bring that negative energy into your life. You don't need that. Worrying about something too much will only increase more worries in your life. Do not manifest more worries. Manifest more riches, manifest more of whatever you want. Maybe you are planning to go for a master's, or maybe you're planning to go, I mainly see like career point of view here. I mainly see it's for some Virgo here. You are just thinking too much about a certain situation and maybe not even discussing it with anybody. Maybe you don't have anyone to discuss it with, or maybe you think that the other person, or maybe you don't want to tell the other person. It's more of your internal fear. Sometimes what happens is, if you go and talk to somebody about a certain situation, that person has seen you in a much better way. That person can tell you in a much better way, that you can accomplish that. So you need to stop guessing yourself. Also, if in some situations like you don't have anybody to talk to, or you basically internally don't want to discuss stuff with anybody, in that situation, all you have to do is try and raise your karma. And how do we do that? By doing good to others. I'm not saying that you're a bad person and you're doing bad to other people, no. Maybe sometimes we're just so much neutral that we don't even think about a certain situation. But if we enter that certain situation, help the other person, we see our life has lined up in such a proper way. So try just raising your karma. It's gonna give you inner peace. It's gonna help you get out of that worry time. Because it's just the worries that are holding you back at the moment. Okay, so let's see what the second card suggests. Take time to breathe out, right? So you guys need to take time to breathe out. You are stressing too much about a certain situation. You are worrying too much. Maybe it is financial, maybe it is career related, it is financial, job related, something on that part that I see for all the earth signs. But just take time to breathe out, because you have to release all the worries, all the negative energy. Then only you'll be able to see what lies ahead of you. Right now you are not even seeing what lies in front, and you are just digging. Maybe you're not even digging onto that situation. Maybe that situation does not require that much of attention that you're giving it. Just meditate. Have the faith that divine is with you. Divine is helping you. Divine is there to help you. Divine is there to help all of us. And if we have any kind of guilt, any kind of fear, if something I see is holding you back, I don't know what it is, but something's holding you back, that because I did that, this happened. No, don't think that much. Or if you actually feel that, just go and ask for forgiveness from the divine first. Go and reach higher in your spirituality. Ask forgiveness from the divine. That's all you need. Worrying will go itself. You won't worry about it. Maybe you have that glitch, and I see, maybe it's just for one person, but I see a glitch in you. That you're thinking, maybe I did a certain thing, certain way, that's why this happened. Maybe I did not. That's why I think the first card was telling you to raise your karma, to do good to others. Maybe, I'm not saying that you have to give too much, but just helping somebody out, giving an advice to somebody which is good for them, is simply gonna release your worries. You'll increase your karma that way. Just try doing that. Try having a balance between the cosmos and the reality of your life. And that glitch, if you still have that glitch, ask Divine. Divine, show me the way, how I can just simply release that. How I can release that. There's a glitch that you have in your mind, because of which, and you are actually forcing everything on that now. If something went wrong, it's because of that. If something went wrong in your personal life, because of that. Something went wrong at the job, because of that. No, release that. Try meditating, meditate, have peace with your inner self and simply release all that. You need to remove that glitch. Ask from the Divine. Divine will help you out. Okay, let's see what we have. Let's see what the next card suggests for all the earth signs out there. A time to give rather than take. Exactly. Again, same thing. It's a time to give something to somebody. Maybe you know what maybe you did in the past was not right. I'm not saying that you did something bad, but maybe if you were even neutral about that certain thing and you have realized it today, it's never too late. It is never too late. Divine is always there, and if you came to a realization like that, Divine has shown you that thing. It's not like you on your own came to that realization. No, Divine has seen something in you and said that this is right. See this. Do not worry. Okay, now I see. There's something from the past, that the glitch that you have is something from your past. And that's why, because you are so much stuck in that past, because you're so much stuck and you actually feel, because you are not a negative soul, but you actually feel that, you know, maybe what happened that time was not right. Maybe something there was not right. And right now, everything around you is messed up. Maybe your career, your job, your studies, maybe everything is just messed up at the moment. And that is not because something went wrong at your job place. That is because of that little past situation that you have come to a realization now that yes, maybe I could have intervened. That is why now Divine is telling you, now is the time. Now is the time. If you can't take any kind of action right now, you simply have to release all the worries. At least release the worries that you have of the present right now. Release those worries. If you're worrying too much, you are simply attracting more worries into your life. Take time to breathe out. Take time to give rather than take. Okay? Gradual improvements are coming. So this card is actually telling you that pay attention to the details if you want success. Sometimes we have to dig into a certain situation to see what actually is there. Be of service to others, and you will eventually have everything in your life. Love, money, whatever you're searching for, you will have every single thing. You won't even have to ask. Just get your life in order at the moment. All you need to do is sit back, relax, meditate, have peace with yourself, and get your life in order. Everything will come into order once you have peace within your own self. Okay? Let's see what the last card says for all the earth signs out there. Okay, see, the conclusion is right there. A win-win outcome is forecast. Once you release all the worries, once you release all that negativity, once you clear that glitch in whatever glitch you are hanging on to, once you clear it out, everything's gonna line up and you'll be shocked to see that. God's gonna line up every single thing in your life. Everything will change. Everything will go to a new level. And you are going towards that. But before that, sometimes we have to go through the trials and tribulations, the trials that divine put us into. Sometimes we have to go through all that. But in that case, what can we do? We can always just meditate and have peace with ourselves. Okay? Don't show, if someone here is showing a lot of ego to somebody, just let that ego go. Don't show it to somebody else. Because someone's needs at the moment can be more important than your ego. So if it's for the one person, just take it as it resonates. Let go of what is falling away. You have to see what lies ahead. It's time for you to take some firm decisions. Don't be neutral. You cannot be like balancing all the time like this. You cannot balance everything. You have to have a firm decision here. Okay, it's time for you to focus on yourself. You have focused too much on other people. It's time for you to focus on yourself right now. And if someone wants to go for a makeover or something, just go for it right now. It's exactly the right time. Okay, so basically the divine is simply telling you to, if you are worrying too much about a situation, release the worry. You need to release the worries. Whatever glitch you're stuck, whatever glitch that you're thinking about of the past, you're stuck in there, you need to release that. Maybe just negotiate something. If it's related to some financial matters, you can simply negotiate it, but just release it somehow. Because the last card here actually suggests a Libra energy. And Libra energy, we know, is of love as well. So if there's a Libra around you, if there's or maybe it's just the energy that, you will get love. You will find love. And if there's a Libra around you and trying to approach the person or doing something, or maybe stuck onto something, talk to someone. Just release whatever negative energy, whatever negative blocks you have. You simply need to take time to breathe it out first. Then only we can see what lies ahead. Whatever you're thinking at the moment, that, sometimes we're like, at that point, we don't know if what the situation, or maybe we are stuck in like certain kind of a situation and we're like, no, this is true or this is true, or sometimes you don't even get to know what is right and what is wrong. But as the time's passing by, now you're realizing, and that realization is being given to you by the divine. That is not coming by itself. Right? So think about yourself. Think about what you can gain, what you have to gain from that certain situation. And if there's nothing to gain, simply release the situation. Just do not even think about it. But if you're thinking about it, definitely there's a gain for you in that situation. That's why this last card came up, that a win-win outcome is forecast. So that means there is a gain from that situation, even from that past situation that's disturbing you. Your present worries are actually not worries. They have been brought up because of that past thing, because you were too much digging into those kind of things. That's why. That is actually why these worries are there. Why? Because if we are not good in our mental health, it reflects on our body, right? If we have continuously going on something in our subconscious mind and we don't release it out, we don't even find a solution for it, or we just don't have a solution for it, or maybe we don't want to accept it, then the worries start coming into the present life. But those are the past worries. You can simply, there's a gain for you from that past energy. Whatever happened in the past, there's a gain from you from that situation. Maybe you are about to see that gain, or you have already seen the gain. And the time when you were neutral, you could be like neutral because you just didn't want to intervene in there, because maybe everything was going really smooth. But now when it came into the present situation, now you're thinking, oh, I should have intervened, I should have done something about it. Okay, so whatever it is, pay attention to that. There's a gain in there for sure. That is why we have the win-win outcome here. Till then, all you have to do is, till the time you don't realize it completely, meditate, have peace with yourself, release the worries of the present. Once you release the worries of those present, and you think, no, everything's gonna happen exactly how I want it to be, everything's gonna happen in my favor, then you'll see that win-win outcome. Then the divine will show you the actual thing divine wants to show you, and till now the divine is actually hiding that from you, is what I see. Because you need to realize first. Just get that realization. Once you get it, boom, it's gonna be like a super fun time, super win outcome for you. And for all the worries that you'll think, oh my god, why was I worrying too much till now? I shouldn't have. If I should have listened to the divine before. But no, divine has its own time. There are divine timings for every single thing that happens in our life. So it's an amazing read for all the earth signs. Yes. Yeah, I think that's the read for all the earth signs. Firstly, just meditate and have peace with your inner self. Once you have that peace, divine will actually show you. In this next week, you will definitely, if till now you haven't had the realization of that, you will definitely have the realization in the next week for sure. So this week is very significant for all the earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Do not worry. Just see what divine wants to show you. Divine wants to show you something at the moment. Okay? So that was all the read for our Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn gang. And now I'm just going to see you all in the next video. And if this reading resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below. Okay, till then, see you. Bye bye.